We are learning more about the man police say they were forced to shoot after he stole a construction vehicle and tried to run them over. The 8 News Now investigators identifying that man as 33-year-old Juan Rincon Carreno. The shooting happened near Boulder Highway and Water Street Sunday morning. 8 News Now reporter Jessamine Woke spoke with a neighbor who witnessed it from her window.
I looked outside my window and it was like the first 48 unfolding in front of my eyes.
Stacy Dean witnessed the chaotic scene from her home.
Police everywhere, ambulance, fire truck, search helicopter, and cops just running like everywhere. They pulled a stretcher out and they had like the medic bag and everything.
Henderson police say officers were called to confront the driver of the construction front loader. They say he tried to run officers over, ramming 2 police cars before police opened fire.
The construction vehicle was kind of tipped a little bit, and definitely one side of it was on top of one of the police cars.
I'm at an equipment yard with high-dollar construction machinery, and a man who's worked in the field for 4 decades says these machines are not meant to be getaway vehicles.
You're not jumping in one of these machines to make a speedy getaway.
Guy Martin, president of Martin Harris Construction, says the problem is more common than you would think.
Equipment theft is something that is kind of rampant in our industry. We've had a couple of job sites where an operator will leave it idling and a homeless person will get in it and drive off with it.
But heavy equipment, such as the front loader in the Henderson police shooting, stands apart.
It's a little nuance of you got to kind of know how to get into one of these big machines, how to find the ways to get it started, the keys. I believe it was a Kawasaki front end loader. But it was an older one.
Although not connected to the site itself, his professional opinion as an expert in the industry.
I've seen situations like that in the valley multiple times, and the only time anybody ever gets into a large piece of construction equipment is to cause property damage. He was just trying to cause as much mayhem as he possibly could.
Jessamine Woke, 8 News Now.
Jessamine did reach out to the Cadence Home Builders, which is the construction site where this took place, for a statement. We are still awaiting a response. 2 officers injured in this incident. Meantime, Rincon was treated at a hospital and now faces criminal charges. Brian.